You heard about Gayatri story. Amazing experience. That is how all doctors have tried, but they failed. But Baba Gurudev Ji, Ramdev Ji has cured. That is the beauty of him. That is the beauty of yoga. He is master in yoga, naturopathy, and also Ayurveda. You name any Ayurveda plant, he is an expert to tell the benefits out of it. This is exactly our Prime Minister is promoting today. And also, sometimes we are all doing, but he is doing differently with sustainability as a first condition. Sometimes we will do, sometimes people may not listen to us. With proof of concept, he has done extremely well. Recently, we conducted yoga in Visakhapatnam. 30 days, I promoted yoga in a big way. Honorable Prime Minister, through United Nations, he included Yoga Day globally. 11th International Yoga Day we celebrated. Everybody expected it may not happen that grand scale. But I wanted to promote yoga as a part of everybody's life. 30 days I gave a calendar. Even my officers, some of my officers didn't believe. I planned 5 lakh people in single location, that is Visakhapatnam. But we got Guinness record, 3,01,000. Never it has happened. It has happened in Visakhapatnam. That is how we achieved. Now, PM also, so many times PMO, they told me, it will happen or not. I told only one thing. Product is very great product, yoga. But only the problem, promotion is very weak, marketing is very weak. That's why it didn't take off. Then, because of product is very strong, marketing, Prime Minister was doing, so I educated people, so it has happened automatically. It is a historical event we conducted. Today, to take further forward, I wanted to seek Baba Ramdev Guruji's blessings. Andhra Pradesh will be future destination for wellness and happiness. My goal is wealthy, healthy, happy Andhra Pradesh. That is the goal I have kept. I can create wealth through my economic policies. But Babaji is going to give happiness and health for everybody. That's why I'm requesting him now. I want to take his services. He's a very, very effective marketing manager of a product. If we decide, this is where I'm asking him only one thing. Just now, after hearing him, after seeing him for 3 decades, long journey, I had a very good affiliation with him. So, very, very affectionate, wherever, because both of us are working for a common cause. Through politician, I am a politician, through public policies, I want to serve the state. Being a spiritual leader, he wanted to serve the community in a big way. This is a rare combination for both of us for the last 3 decades. Now I request only one thing. I want to take his advice and guidance for promoting tourism and wellness of Andhra Pradesh in a big way. That's why, with all your cooperation, I am also asking Babaji, Baba Ramdev Ji, Be our advisor for tourism. You will be the best brand manager, promoter for Andhra Pradesh. I will be very happy. If you accept, we will be very happy. Then automatically tourism will happen in Andhra Pradesh in a big way. All events I can create. So many celebrities are there. True celebrity is Baba Ramdev Guruji. I am very happy. So this is the occasion I want to tell you. Everything we wanted to promote in a big way from today onwards. Long back, I gave a slogan. People are asking what is the importance of tourism. At that time, we will talk about communism, socialism, capitalism, like that people used to talk. One word I told at the time, all isms are irrelevant. Future is only for tourism. It is going to survive forever. Today, exactly that is what is happening. If you see today, we are all inspiring time. I wanted to mention that why. 3 decades back, I promoted technology. At that time, nobody used to promote technology as a politician. One example I am giving you, I wanted to meet Bill Gates. He visited Delhi. I seek his appointment. Politely refused. I asked this reason, why you are not meeting. He said, I don't have any work with politicians. I said, no, I am having some work with you. I want to meet you. Give me 10 minutes. With great difficulty, he gave me 10 minutes. All the way I went to Delhi. I prepared very well. Then I spent with him 45 minutes. I gave my presentation. In my presentation, I gave the strength of India and Indians on information technology. He said at the end of the meeting, yes, you are right. I totally believe. What can I do? Don't do anything for me. If at all you are coming from Seattle outside, come to Hyderabad, then I will give you excellent land you can promote. After that, 3-4 meetings, he started first development center in Hyderabad after Seattle. That is the biggest campus today. Fortunately, the employee of Hyderabad Microsoft Center, Nadella Satya, has become president of that company. One step forward, leapfrog developments will happen. So I wanted to, now today, the power of technology. I started at the time, iTech City, synonymous with IT, and promotion of IT. Today, I am promoting Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence. That is the beauty of today's technology penetration. All of us are talking about technology. Now data is available, historical data. Global knowledge is available. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing is a reality. Real-time data can be collected through satellite, drones, IoTs, wearables, sensors, CCTV cameras. Then decision making will be taken real-time, decision will be communicated real-time across the cross sections. One example I am giving you in government. Now, we are providing 703 services. As on today, 500 services you are providing online. By August 15th of this year, all services will be provided online through WhatsApp governance. No need to come to any. Even all investors, I am telling you, you do not come to office. You need not go to any office, any officer. Automatically, they have to clear That is the system we are building. Now people are saying, with all these things we will lose jobs. Now how to create jobs? Only the way tourism is only the sector where we can create excellent jobs. If you see here, 1 lakh if you invest, around 8 jobs we can create. Investment versus to jobs, tourism is the best sector. It is better than IT, industry, agriculture, even other service sectors also. This is the best. Globally, every 10 jobs, one is from tourism. We had an ambitious plan, 2.4 trillion US economy. We wanted to US dollars, we wanted to achieve by 2047. In this, we are expecting tourism to grow at the rate of 20% from now onwards. My minister also is having doubt if now Patanjali success story you have to hear. Now Baba Ramdev ji is our advisor on tourism. If we start wellness centers and all hotels in Andhra Pradesh, wellness centers, especially yoga, naturopathy, Ayurveda, and also best meditation, if you practice. Natural food. We are very happy, Babaji, Guruji. We are number 1 in natural farming in the world. Already we are going for certification and also how to identify, that is identification also. Both we are doing. So I am assuring you, world is watching us. This is a new project is going on. With natural food and your yoga and meditation, that will be the game changer. All other prayers, we are all here. You will have a exciting timing. So many people have.
ఇవి బులెటిన్ విశేషాలు. కీప్ వాచింగ్ రాజ్ న్యూస్.